Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
An example of the Battle Pass system, as it appeared in Season 1 of Call of Duty: Modern Warfare. Warzone will continue to evolve after the launch of Call of Duty: Black Ops Cold War, interweaving some of Black Ops Cold War's themes, weapons, and operators into this blockbuster free-to-play battle royale experience.
Let's help you make your mark.
In a post on the franchise's website, Activision confirmed that progression will sync between the free-to-play Battle Royale Warzone mode and Call of Duty: Black Ops Cold War, as well as last year's Modern Warfare, from December 10th. That's when Season 1 of content for Black Ops Cold War is released.
Take our lead.
Call of Duty: Warzone will be the first Battle Royale game that bridges two other games. Activision, Infinity Ward, and Treyarch have confirmed that Warzone will be supported for years to come, whatever the yearly Call of Duty releases are. It's one of the most popular games in the world right now.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.